Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Just wanted to show you my quick setup for my postcard mailing campaigns that I have going today. Okay, right here is my 30-day success formula postcards, as you can see, and I've got my return address labels right there, a package right here from Six Figure Stamp Club leads. You see right here, I've had some leads. I've already put those on some of these. And this is another campaign I'm running up here for a different program. Okay, I use different postcard templates, guys. And I run these different campaigns, and they all have different domains that go with them. So if you're interested in doing postcard marketing with me, I'm in the 30-day success formula. I've got the Six Figure Stamp Club going. I've got some other biz ops that I'm running as well. But I'm using these postcards, and I've got another one being made right now for Six Figure Stamp Club. Even though the company is putting one together for you guys to use, I have my own personal one that I'll be using, which is going to be awesome that they're doing that, guys. So you guys are going to be joining me in the Six Figure Stamp Club, and go ahead and order your postcards online in the back office once you get started with me. And remember, I'm going to match whatever they're giving you far as leads. Depending on what level you come in with the Six Figure Stamp Club, I'm going to give you leads. When you come in with me in the 30-day success formula, I'm going to give you leads too, but you have to come in at least at level 2, which is the 250 level. With the Six Figure Stamp Club, you've got to come in at least at the blue level to get the leads, the extra leads I'm going to give you, okay? Then again, I'm going to show you about these postcards that I've got going on as well, guys. But this is the way to go. There is no limits on what can be done out here, guys. Only limit there is you putting a limit on yourself, okay? It's limitless. And the potential that you can earn an income working from home, just mailing these postcards or mailing letters, just mailing in general. Direct mail is booming, let me tell you, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for my programs. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos as well, okay? Go ahead and like the video. Get started with me in one of these programs. We have affordable levels for everybody, okay? Get started. See those leads from Six Figure? Guys, this stuff works. Let me tell you, I've been working from home full-time since 2015. I've been in direct mail successfully since 2013, okay? It definitely works, okay? So reach out to me. Go ahead and click those links. Get started. I look forward to working with each and every one of you guys. You guys have a blessed day.